I'm Sherman, and it's been a while. So, after covering the Form 1 and Form 2 biology topics in integrated science, I have nothing to talk about. So, this episode of Sherman Wants to Talk About Something About Biology will be covering my favorite flower, the dandelion. So, you probably know what dandelion looks like. If you don't, just go outside and you'll see it's everywhere in our school, like on the grass or something. So, dandelions. Why do I like dandelions? They look cool and they're fun to play with. That's the only reason I like dandelions and nothing else. Nope, nothing else. First off, the scientific name for the common dandelion is called Taraxacum officinale. This may sound weird because it's Latin, and it's also the binomial naming system of plants and animals. So what is this weird naming system thing? So first, in our example, Taraxacum is the genus of the dandelion, and officinale is the species. This is how to identify different plants and animals. So yeah, taxonomy, yay! Here's a graph of like the classification system, hey! So Taraxacum is Latin for flower, basic, and officinale means office or pharmacy in Latin, and this may refer to dandelion's medicinal properties, which I will cover later on. And why are dandelions called dandelions? It's because it sounds like dandelion, which the French people named it. That means a lion's tooth. So why is a lion's tooth? It's because they think that the dandelion's leaves look like a lion's tooth. It's a fun fact. Dandelions grow from seeds and do not spread asexually from stolons or runner. They have a single tap root, so similar to carrots. And however, although they can and do reproduce asexually by seed, they often do the single taproot thing. And they are also capable of producing a viable seed without cross-fertilization. Therefore, the offspring would be equal or a clone of the parent. So if you don't understand what I just said, basically TLDR, if you have one dandelion in your garden or lawn, it's enough to spread the whole garden filled with dandelions in a month or two. Dandelions tend to flower in spring or fall, and the flowers open in the morning and close up at night like most flowers. After a couple of days in flower, they close and the seeds developed inside the closed head. The seeds, technically called a fruit, are produced on the flower stalk of each seed, representing one of the florets in the flower head. So, when the flower closes, the seed will develop on like the little petals or florets in the flower. Each has a pappus, the white little feathery bristles that are commonly identified on dandelions, act as a sail or parachute, ensuring that the seeds are distributed by the wind. I could in the future ask the physics student to help make a video about the physics of dandelion spread, but yeah. So as you can see, the wind is a great ally of distributing seeds for dandelions. As the seeds mature, the flower stalk elongates, so raising the fluffy seeds up to the breeze and carried by the wind to spread. When a seed germinates, it produces a rosette of little tiny leaves close to the ground surface and concentrates on growing the single tap root. By the time you see a dandelion plant already grown in your lawn, basically it already has like thousands of little tiny plants, dandelion plants, in the ground. Do you know that you can eat and drink dandelion? So there's a thing called dandelion wine, which is commonly found in like most other European places and a certain game, and you can also eat them. the roots of dandelions and act as a coffee substitute. Yeah, fun fact 101. So now I'll talk about the medicinal properties of dandelion roots. First off, dandelion roots can be used as a diuretic, which are used to treat high blood pressure, heart failure, liver disease, and kidney diseases. Some scientists believe that dandelion's diuretic properties may have medical uses, including the treatment of prediabetes, menstrual bloating, and water retention. Also, in folk medicine, dried dandelion root is grounded as a paste and mixed with water to cure skin disorders like acne or rashes and boils, which is kind of cool. So if you have acne, you could try grinding dandelion root and adding water to reduce it. Another fun fact is that dandelion root is believed to have anti-diabetic properties, as they have insulin inside. Ooh. If you don't know what is insulin, go search it up. It's pretty interesting. So that is basically what is biology about dandelions. So I hope you enjoy it and go research some of your favorite plants. And yeah, if you're interested, you can also comment it down below. And remember to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.